I come here for a fucking shootout.
Hey, yo, what up, y'all? Welcome back. So lately I've been getting a lot of requests to do a DIY little marker video, and there's no one way to show that, so I decided to make a playlist, and we'll call it Will It Keel? So we're only gonna need 4 things to make this marker. The first thing we need is a blade. Second thing we got is a shoestring for the nib. This is a nylon shoestring for a crisper chisel. Third thing is hard to buff ink, because it's an alcohol ink that flows well, and it comes with the witch's hat for easy pouring. And the last thing we need is a marker body. This time we'll just use a Visine bottle to make a mini marker, because that's what y'all kept asking for. So the first move is to remove the eyedrop tip by bending it to the side. No need to wiggle it back and forth, just bend it to one side and it will pop right off. Now go empty out the liquid. I'll wait.
Call yourself a fucking gangster.
Now let's cut the tip off of the eyedropper. Just try your best to cut it flush, because either way you're going to have access. Just use your blade to get rid of that. You don't have to do this part, but I'm shaving out the opening for a better fit.
Call yourself a fucking gangster.
Now that it's perfectly clean with no leftover plastic, you're ready to get X-rated with this marker nib. But first let's make the nib. So you're going to want the wick to go all the way down to the bottom, then a little bit extra for the nib, and you got to remember that it's going to be folded over each other. So I'll do this part really slow so you won't have any problem following along. Fold it in half. Then again over the top. Now bring the outside of the piece to the middle, because you're going to fold it again on the inside. There you go. Now that you're all folded up, you're going to cut this in a little bit short. There you go. One end with 1, 2, 3, 4, and one end with 1, 2, 3 sides. The hole is a little bit small for the string, so that's why I got one side cut short, so that we can fit the wick and still have the wide nib.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna bash your brains.
Jakes.
I'm gonna bash him right the fuck in.
Alright, there you go. You got a chisel nib and you got a wick for the gravity feed. This eye drop bottle is squeezable obviously, but I just let the ink flow on its own. And the plastic body works better for durability and for cost. Just in case you gotta ditch the marker, you're not losing out on too much, just a little bit of ink. You can see I overfilled it because you got to leave a little bit of room for the wick.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna bash your brains.
It will kill.
Jakes.
There are no typical murderers. Forget watching, Stan. You get to live it.
something you might want. For example, a gun. It fires accurate and fatal bullets without gun flash or sound. What do you want with me?
I also made this bigger one, but you can use any size eye drops you want. Small or big, it's up to you. Yeah, G, there you go. A clean little DIY marker with a lid that will kill.
It will kill.
Make sure you like the video so I know that you guys want to see this type of footage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.